We are going to spend a little time here explaining where the numbers come from for our I/O models, for our input-output based models. As I mentioned before, input-output tables are produced by government, by our federal government. And in fact, the agency is the Bureau of Economic Analysis, the BEA. And this is within the Department of Commerce. So you can go to their website and look at or download all of the data that they have released. And they provide data in 3 different levels of detail, where the sector level of detail, just has the US economy divided into 12 broad sectors. The summary level of detail has the US economy divided into about 90 sectors, depending on the year. And then the detailed level is our benchmark years. And depending again on the year of the benchmark and the type of data you want to look at, there'll be between 400 and 500 sectors. The US economy will be divided into between 400 and 500 sectors. So the sector and summary level data comes from annual surveys. So sector and summary here, they come from yearly surveys. So although it's not as descriptive, we don't have as many sectors, so not as much detail in terms of the number of sectors, the numbers are more up to date. The results from the survey are more up to date than the detailed level, data level here, as this comes only from the benchmark surveys, and they occur infrequently, and as I showed you, they take a long time to analyze and release. The latest being 2007, which was released late in 2013. So there are many different schemes or ways to partition the economy into sectors. I'm not going to get into this in detail, but know that the NAICS is the one that the BEA, the Bureau of Economic Analysis, uses. I'm not going to get into the details between all of these schemes. There are many, and there are ways to bridge between different systems if you need to do that, if you're comparing economies across countries or different classification schemes. The NAICS is the sector classification scheme that most of our LCA models use, and this is the one that you will be using. So I wanted to explain the coding for the sectors. NAICS uses a standard coding system where the first 2 digits here give the broad industry sector. So 33 is the broad industry sector of manufacturing. And then the next digits give groupings within the sectors. So each group, when you add on another digit at the end here, that is a subgroup within the grouping above it, right? So 334 is the computer and electronic industry subsector within the 33 manufacturing industry sector. 3346 is the manufacture and reproduction industry group. That's a subgroup within computer and electronics, which is a subgroup within the manufacturing industry sector, and so forth. So each grouping is within grouping above it. And the first 5 digits are fixed. We get a 6th digit for things that are specific to countries.